Hi, I am Dr. Deepak Bhattacharya and I thank Welingkar for giving me the opportunity to conduct today's workshop. The workshop that we are conducting today is on customer service excellence. See, we all know that as product differentiation is thinning, it is becoming very difficult for one company to say how my product or service is different from someone else. And then we will end this workshop with understanding a service blueprint as to what is the entire service pattern, both frontline, backline, backward, and how do you do a comprehensive service excellence delivery system.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vrinda Vijayan and I'm a dentist, and I have been doing the PGDM hybrid program from Welingkar for the past 6 months, and I'm loving it. The way it has been helping me professionally and has been really helpful in with respect to how I am dealing with my patients of late, since I've been into the non-clinical sector for a very long time now. And the workshop that I've attended with Dr. Deepak Bhattacharya has been amazing so far, because we have really learned a lot of things about customer service in with respect to patients, with respect to the customer handling situations, how to tackle situations in very tense conditions. So yes, it's been amazing, and I would love to attend more workshops like these with Welingkar. Thank you.